Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What are you doing? I don't have to move for you. Idiot. How dumb do you have to be? Come on, cut me off. Hit me, motherfucker. You. I ain't intimidated. I ain't gonna move an inch, bitch. Oh, my ass. You serious? Well, you not paying attention or something? You stupid? You serious? Well, you on your phone or something?
No phone is my car.
Dude, you gotta pay attention to the road. If you were going faster, you would have hurt me.
No.
Come back for more. So Fleet Pride is now giving new customers 20% off first online order. Use promo code FIRST20.
Oh, idiot.
A Grouch-type character, and Sally made a cameo in the Addams Family movie in 1991. Sally Jesse Raphael has never been rerun on traditional television, but episodes are available in video archives. And it all started when the show debuted back on this day in 1983.
And of course, who can forget her trademark red eye?
I'm seeing a lot of red on the map right now. There's a crash on the I-17 northbound just after Indian School Road. HOV lane is blocked. Interchange. 202 Red Mountain Freeway eastbound at Scottsdale Road. Down after Buckeye Road. A crash off to the right as well. Just a little slow.
To book your appointment now.
Damn, they dropped their freaking score. Holy shit. Holy shit.
Good morning, sir. My name is Drew Brush with the Pennsylvania State Police. Can I please see your license, registration, and proof of insurance? That's fine, man. The reason I pulled you over is because we're actually doing 53 and a 35. Alright, there you go, man. I'm going to give you a citation today, but instead of citing you for 53 over, I cited you for 5 over. There's no points associated with it. It's like $150 less of a fine. My printer broke off halfway through, but this has all the information you need.
What the f? One way?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.